We have two exciting announcements for you in this extra episode. Firstly, we've passed 50 subscribers on our channel in barely 6 weeks. We're very proud to reach this first milestone. Secondly, our stock bundles at Triaconta doubled in value last week. Let's take a look at this together. On March 8th, we opened an account with Triaconta specifically for this channel, Future and Finance. If you'd like to take a look at this again, watch episode 2. If you'd like to open an account with Triaconta after watching our videos, please use the link in the description below. If you register using this link, we'll receive a small referral fee for this, something we'd be very grateful to you for and which we need to maintain the channel. So, on March 8th, we effectively deposited an amount of 490 euros in each bundle of Triaconta. In total, this amounted to 1,960 euros, about 8 weeks ago. If we now look at the total of our bundles, we see that this has increased to more than 4,400 euros in this short period, more than double our investment. How can that go so quickly, you'll be asking yourself? Well, we are currently in a so-called bull market. That means we see almost all cryptocurrencies rising. However, we owe it to our diversification that we benefit from growth of more than 100%. Let's take a closer look. Let's take a quick history tour. We can see that Bitcoin's value started to rise in mid-2017. This rise lasted until January 2018. After the high of some 15,000 euros per Bitcoin in December 2017, the market plummeted. This bear market lasted more than 2.5 years. This put a strain on crypto investors, and unfortunately, many of them got out at a loss during this period. The rise started up again, which has led to new highs, in fact, all-time highs. Most cryptocurrencies have already surpassed their 2017 peak, something you can also see with Bitcoin. On April 18th, 2021, Bitcoin hit its all-time high of more than 50,000 euros. I'll explain in one of our next videos why the team of Future and Finance still thinks it's a good time to jump into the market now. So subscribe today by clicking on the bell and you'll receive a notification for every subsequent episode of Future and Finance. Let's quickly walk through our Triaconta bundles. In the top 30 bundle, we see an increase of more than 144%. On May 1st, 2021, all my bundles were revised and rebalanced, something we showed you in episode 4. Triaconta's top 3 bundle has doubled, just over 100%. The DeFi, Decentralized Finance bundle, has the lowest increase but still accounts for about 45%. The Penny Stock bundle has tripled by more than 200%. Of course, I don't have a crystal ball, so we can't know exactly where the price of cryptocurrencies is going. But as I said in a subsequent video, I'll explain why the team behind Future and Finance thinks that the crypto market could still grow to unimaginable highs.